Welcome, esteemed WooCommerce store owners. Today, we embark on a journey to conquer the art of order processing using WooCommerce and WordPress. Alright, let's kick things off by gaining a solid understanding of the WooCommerce order management system, shall we? Efficient order processing is the backbone of a successful online store. Happy customers and smooth operations, what more could we ask for? Today we are going to cover the topics below with respect to order processing in online store, built in using WooCommerce. Number 1, log into WordPress dashboard. Number 2, notifications of order. Number 3, locate the order and verify the details. Number 4, various order statuses and execution. For the first topic, kindly follow our video on login to WordPress dashboard. Link is mentioned in the description. Let's get started with the first topic of the day, notifications of orders. The moment a customer clicks on the Place Order button on your e-commerce store, multiple notifications are triggered from WooCommerce. Number 1, email notification to customer about the order placement. Number 2, email notification to shop manager stating, we have received the order. Number 3, shop owners can also observe the alert on WordPress dashboard. Number 4, the similar notification would show up in the WooCommerce mobile app in case the shop manager is using it for store maintenance. This is the most important step in the journey of order management, as missing the customer order would lead to delay of the delivery. Congratulations, we are actually making good progress. The next step involves finding the order within your admin dashboard and cross-checking specific details. Head over to the admin dashboard and navigate to the Orders section under WooCommerce. There, you'll find a comprehensive list of all the store's available orders conveniently displayed on the right-hand side of the page. Locate the desired order by using its unique order number and carefully review the associated information. The most recent order will be conveniently placed at the top, making it effortless to find. Simply click on the order number to access a detailed page dedicated to that particular order. Before proceeding with the shipping process, it's crucial to manually verify the order and cross-reference it against the available stock and the payment credit. This step ensures that everything is in order and ready for smooth fulfillment. Incoming orders are like little packages of happiness arriving at your virtual doorstep. Let's learn how to unwrap them. Now, let's dive into the final topic for the session. In WooCommerce, various order statuses are available, and it's the responsibility of shop managers to update them accordingly based on the order's progress. By default, when we receive an order from the customer, the order status is set as order processing. Once the order is shipped to the customer, go ahead and change the order status to shipped. Once the customer receives the order and the transaction is successfully completed, update the status to completed. In the event of any payment, stock, or other issues, it's essential to change the order status to on hold until the problem is resolved. If, for any reason, the order needs to be cancelled, update the status as cancelled. Additionally, there are 2 other order statuses available, namely, delete permanently and restore, which can be utilized for orders that have already been deleted or need to be restored. It's important to exercise caution while using these statuses to avoid unintentional data loss or changes. Whether the status changes to order processing, shipped, completed, on hold, or cancelled, the customer will receive timely email notifications reflecting the current status of their order. This proactive approach enhances customer satisfaction and builds trust, as customers are always aware of the progress of their purchase. As we near the end of our journey, let's not forget the importance of providing exceptional customer service. Happy customers are like fairy dust that makes your store soar to new heights. Let's sprinkle that magic everywhere. Congratulations, order processing experts. You've mastered the art of handling orders with WooCommerce and WordPress. Thank you for joining me today on this journey to mastering order processing with WooCommerce and WordPress. I hope this guide has provided you with the necessary knowledge to enhance your online business. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Before we say goodbye, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this one. Hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss any of our future order processing adventures.